Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get into VIP on the new update. So you're just going to kind of jump up until you can like kind of climb over it. Okay, this is getting harder to do. There we go. And then you're just going to jump up again. If you can't jump, you can just like use the fairy poses to kind of glitch up there. You're just going to walk here. This is where the VIP is, and you're just going to jump. And you're going to basically go here and you're just going to go through the roof and then you're in VIP. I'm not sure if you can put on outfits though. I can't test it because I do have VIP, but that is pretty much how you can do that in the new update. Let me know if that worked for you. I'm not sure if this will work, but you can try it. But it did work. Like I can like go through VIP through the roof. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.